So before we start the video, so please consider to subscribe and like my own videos, okay? And also click or tap the bell button or the bell icon as you can see my notifications. So on the menu today we have Pizza Hut. Yeah, it's already obvious there's pizza. So I ordered Veggie Lovers Pizza, Fettucine Alfredo, Kitkat puffs, and then for our drink is 7-Up. So let's start. It's chatting. So it's basically like this. By the way, this is my dinner for today. So I think it's just gonna be quick. I know I can finish this all because it's just a few. It has veggies, mango, and not really like mango, but it looks like mango, so it's pineapple. And of course, bread. Yeah. Yeah, it has also mushrooms. So, as you can see, I have a different background again. I'm in my kitchen. Or I mean like dining table. Here, I'll feed you. Nah, I'm just kidding. Recorded. By the way, have you enjoyed my last video about little mukbang? About my trusted dog, Buttercup? Oh, now you know her name. She's not here because she might smell the food and she might distract the video. So it's just me first. I left school at the evening because I have a chest training. Oh yeah, just noticed that the most liked video, I think, now the tissues are flying. So the most liked video was the mukbang challenge about Buttercup. I think because your reactions are like, oh my gosh, she's so cute. Oh my gosh, she's too cute. She even walks cute. Yeah, she's totally cute. Unlike me. And just, she's like only like 5 years old or 4. She's about to become 6 this year, of course. And by the way, the video was filmed in my background. I mean my garden, not background. Hey, how did you get here? Okay. Here. Yeah. No. Oh no, she doesn't like that. Pineapple. Oh no. Mm. Hey. I don't know which is which. There's Kitkat Pops and the Fettucine Alfredo. I forgot really. Fettucine Alfredo, I think. I think I'm going to have the Valentine's special. You know, planning to make a Valentine's special. And there's something, an event in my school. They'll be hosting a love serenade there. I don't know if I can afford it or not. Just want to point it out. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Oh, 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 wow, so yummy. Okay. So, I'm just gonna put the pizza here for a while. So, friendly reminder, this is the Fettucine Alfredo. I actually forgot the name. And this is the Kitkat box. Okay, let me show you Barry. No, just kidding, no. He's too smelly, mabontot. If you don't know mabontot, it means smelly. She's too smelly to come here. And she's furry, which makes her hair fall out and could give me a cold. By the way, thank you to all of my friends or anybody who subscribed to my channel. Thanks to everybody who subscribed to my channel. I wish that your channels will be supported and with all good stuff in your all good content, just all good content in my YouTube channel, and also to yours, of course. So let's go back to pizza. Pizza Hut. Pizza Hut food. You thought it's pizza, did you? Okay. I'm gonna try some because oh no, it's gonna explode. Okay, never mind. Oh, you're good, we're good. That's the same. Okay, let's see. Kitkat Pops, very good. And it has chocolate. Of course, it's made of Kitkat. And then added with the stuffed bread. Also empowered by Pizza Hut. Pizza. They use the bread, the pizza crust. And then they add chocolate. That makes it very special. So let's just do one more talk and then we're done with the video. So, have you know Avengers? Of course, it's the most anticipated movie. Most anticipated company movie series, yeah. Avengers Infinity War from 2018. Most, or best action film movie 2018, that's good. Hereditary, most scariest film, very good. But now, let's move to 2019. So the most anticipated movies for today will be Avengers Endgame. Yeah, that's also the most anticipated movie. But I think there's other anticipated movies, just like Pokemon, Detective Pikachu. Yeah, that's a good movie. Also Star Wars. I think Star Wars Episode 9 is coming. They said that it's almost about not. It's gonna be absolutely amazing. Some of the viewers told their theories of what was gonna happen to Star Wars Episode 9. Yeah, a lot. There's Secret Life of Pets 2, a lot of movies, another movies, blah 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 blah. Okay, so I'm just sharing it because I also watch those kinds of movies, cartoons, whatever, action, whatever, horror, whatever, anything can do. So I think I'm gonna end the video. So I'll be saving this to my friend, saving this. Saving this to my family, saving this to my dog. So I like the pizza. The crust is very good. Same with the Kitkat Pops. It used the same bread with the crust, that's very good. And what I really like is the bread. Carbonara, I don't like it. I like it 49% out of 51. Out of 100 to me. So it lacks 1% to make it 50-50. And the other one lacks 1%. So I'm just gonna drink the 7-Up. It's just like a Sprite or Coke. Okay, so I can see the bubbles are very good. It's popping right now. But before I drink that, let me show you Barika. Yeah. Where's the food? Okay, don't smell it, okay? You are a good dog. But don't eat the pizza. Eat the pizza later, okay? By the way, I feel bad for Barika. Her left eye is blind. So sad. If you want to know why her left eye is blind, I'll tell it in the next video. So thank you guys for watching. And thank you for the most liked video, the mini mukbang, the little mukbang with Barika. Thanks for the most liked videos ever. Thank you so much for watching. And see you guys in the next video. Bye bye. You'll also see the conclusion on why Barika's eye is blind. Okay? So bye.